In this clip, we will see which are the options for working with the title and the title bar of a resource in the Livresq workshop. By default, each resource has a title. It can be edited in the title field, in the Properties panel, on the right side of the screen. With the exception of image type resources. For the other resource types, the title is displayed by default in the section where the resource is inserted. Here is an example of a section that contains several types of resources. In the Properties panel, the Resource Status Bar function helps us manage the title bar of each resource. The available options are: Inherit, the status of the title bar is the default one, that is show, or is set at the upper level, that is at the level of section or project. Show, title bar is displayed regardless of section or project level setting. Hide, the title bar is hidden, regardless of the setting at the top level. The selection can be made when the resource is marked, or when it is open for editing. If you want to hide the title bar, for all section resources that do not have the show setting marked, do so. Select the entire section from the Section Properties button, and then select Hide for the Resource Status Bar function. As you can see, this option leads to hiding the title bar for all resources in the section that have retained the default Inherit option for the Resource Status Bar function. If an option regarding the title bar at the section level is selected, it does not change if, at the project level, a different option is selected.